Unit 9, Lesson 3, More Cost of Running a Restaurant. Okay, we're going to start here at 3.1. Are we making money? Well, let's see. Restaurants have more expenses than just the cost of food. So let's start with A. I want you to make a list of other items you would have to spend money on if you were running a restaurant. I want you to think long about what this would be. There are plenty of other things that you need at a restaurant, right? When you've been to a restaurant, first decide, is this a fast food restaurant or a sit-down restaurant? They have different things that need to go on there. Then B, I want you to identify which of these expenses on that list depend on the number of meals ordered and which are independent of the number of meals ordered. Okay? So look at this list very closely. Which of these are just going to be things that you use per meal? Like silverware, or if it's if it's fast food, a to-go container. Which of these would you have all the time? Pots, pans, things to cook with. C, I want you to identify which of these expenses that are independent of the number of meals ordered only have to be paid once and which are going. So things that only get paid once, a pan, right? I don't need to buy a pan every time I cook a meal. I cook many meals in that pan. And then D, I want you to estimate the monthly cost of each of the ongoing expenses on your list, okay? So estimate the cost of to-go containers. Estimate the cost of things that you would use every time you make a meal. Napkins, things like that. Then calculate the total of these monthly expenses.